everyone. Are you also a gold lover like me? If yes, then today I'm gonna show you the best gold trading expert advisor available on M12 Marketplace, which has proven live record with live monitoring signal enabled, plus positive reviews with 5-star ratings, and the developer also offers free trials as well. The EA has managed to provide above 125% growth in just 6 months and has been integrated with the best scalping strategy combined with risk management technique, which makes the EA safe, best, and highly profitable. I know you guys are extremely excited to know which EA I'm talking about, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So the EA I am talking about is AU79 Gold, which is the best gold trading EA designed especially for gold, and is available for MT5 and MT4 both. Now I will share quick highlights with you guys. So here are the highlights of AU79 Gold EA. Highlight number 1, neural network based EA. Highlight number 2, free trials are available. Highlight number 3, live signal monitoring is available. Highlight number 4, excellent history record. Highlight number 5, my FX book monitoring is available. Highlight number 6, regular latest market updates. Highlight number 7, 5-star ratings with positive reviews. Highlight number 8, scalping expert advisor. Highlight number 9, available for both MT4 and MT5. The next highlight is set files are provided for backtesting and real account trading. Next highlight is Telegram support, Instagram support, and M12 quick response has been provided by the developer. The next highlight is personal assistance via TeamViewer and AnyDesk for installation and setup is provided by the developer. The next highlight is developer has 9+ years of experience in metal and forex trading. The next highlight is FTMO compatible, but it's not FTMO specific. The next highlight is has been tested on a history data of 6+ years. The next highlight is suitable for experienced and new trader both because it's a plug and play robot with the simplest settings. The next highlight and the last highlight is far better results compared with the top ranking EAs, which are far expensive in terms of high profits, risk management strategy, and simple interface of settings. So after the highlights, let's set this EA up in less than 60 seconds. Yes guys, you heard me right. We can set this EA up in just less than 60 seconds, and I'm gonna do it in front of you guys. So my time starts now. So I'm gonna go to the terminal over here. So this is my terminal, and I'm gonna open the market. I'm gonna search for the EA. Okay, and I'm gonna download it. So I'm gonna click on download, and it will be downloaded over here. Okay, so the EA has been downloaded. Now I'm gonna go back to the EA page. Then I'm gonna click on important links section, set files download, and these files will be downloaded now. Start download, and it has been downloaded. This is the set files. I'm gonna extract it. Extract all. Okay, these are the set files. Now I'm gonna go over here and drag and drop. I will load the set files over here, and downloads, compressed. Yeah, select the set file you want to use, and it's done. So it took me just 1 minute and 10 seconds, guys, to install this EA on a live account. So this is so simple to use for everyone, and anybody can really set this EA up in less than a minute. So after setting up the EA, let's look at the real account, results and stats. I have attached 2 live monitoring links in the description of the EA. Let's click on live monitoring account 1 over here and look at the real account results. So as you can see up over here, the account has gained a massive growth of 133% in just few months with consistency and safety. Okay, so let's scroll down a little bit and I will show you monthly returns the EA has provided me. Okay, so unlike the top ranking EAs, my EA has provided consistent monthly returns always. But when you see the results of the top ranking EAs, you will notice that the returns always decreases month by month. But over here, it's not like that. And I'm also gonna drop the link of this signal in the description as well, so that you guys can also check. So this is the MyFXbook account, which has been updated 13 hours ago last. You can clearly see the verified track record, and these are the monthly returns over here which I have got. So I'm also gonna drop the link of the MyFXbook account in the description as well. Okay guys, so after the performance stats, I'm gonna tell you the 10 reasons why AU79 Gold is the best gold trading EA. Okay, so reason number 1, free trials. We want you to be doubt free and sure before you make a purchase. So that's why we offer free trials. Second, proven performance. Live monitoring accounts are attached to provide proof of EA's excellent on-record performance. Number 3, advanced algorithm. It's a complex neuro algorithm with thousands of inbuilt settings and numbers combined together to get a highest quality EA ever possible. Number 4, user-friendly interface. As explained, anyone can install it in just 60 seconds. Number 5, positive reviews plus 5-star ratings. We want everyone to earn and grow, so we created something which makes the money while you sleep with safety and consistency, appreciated by the clients in the form of positive reviews and these 5-star ratings. Number 6, regular support and updates. From purchasing to installation plus personal assistance, we do anything to provide our clients the best support possible, also provide latest market updates time to time. Number 7, comparison to competitors. From price to results, we charge lower price and provide more performance if we compare with top ranking EAs costing above thousands of dollars. Number 8, customizability. Different kinds of set files are provided along with a fully detailed document for each client's different needs. Number 9, risk management. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 kinds of different risk management techniques have been integrated inside the EA to manage the risk. And the last, number 10, any challenge compatible, not challenge specific. Being the best for trading gold on regular accounts, our EA AU79 Gold has also managed to be any challenge compatible, but keep in mind guys, it's not made specially for challenges, so you need to contact me first. Okay, so that was all about the best gold trading expert advisor. I hope this video will help you in making the right decision about the EAs, and now you know what things you need to look at before you're going to buy any of the EAs. Okay, so thank you for watching my video guys. Also, I'm gonna be comparing AU79 Gold EA results with the top ranking EAs on MQL5 in the next video guys. So it will be coming out soon. Take care. For more videos like this, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.